In this video, we're diving into how to get up to $1,000 in free TikTok ad credits. But here's the catch. This deal only lasts until September 30th, 2025. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and get more out of the tools that you're already using. Now, if you've ever thought about running ads on TikTok, or even if you've just been curious about what kind of results you could get, this is hands down one of the best chances that you'll get to test the waters without lighting your budget on fire. So let's get into it. Why TikTok is offering free ad credits. So why is TikTok basically handing out ad credit like candy right now? Well, part of it is competition. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google ads still dominate, but TikTok is quickly catching up, and they want more brands and creators running paid ads on their platform. This limited time promo is a way to reduce the barrier to entry. TikTok knows once you start running ads and seeing how cheap the reach is, there's a good chance that you'll stick around. So think of this as them saying, hey, we'll match your ad spend to help you get started. The promo officially launched on July 9th, and it runs through September 30th, 2025. So yeah, you've got some time, but the clock is ticking. Here's how the offer works. All right, let's break it down super simply. If you spend $200, TikTok gives you $200 in free ad credit. Spend $500, get $500. Spend $1,500 and get $1,000 in ad credit. So basically, you're getting double the exposure for your money, especially with that $200 or $500 tier. That's a lot of impressions and clicks, especially on a platform like TikTok, where CPMs are still lower than Facebook and Instagram. But here's the fine print that you need to know. Important rules you can't miss. This isn't just sign up and get free money. There are a few conditions that you need to meet, and they are important. One, you have to register as a TikTok advertiser. That means creating an account through TikTok for business. If you already have a personal TikTok account, this is a totally separate platform. It's quick and easy to sign up, and you'll be walked through it step by step. Two, you need to hit the spend threshold within 30 days. Now, this is key. You must spend the $200, $500, or $1,500 within 30 days of signing up to unlock the matching ad credit. If you sign up today and you don't spend anything for 3 weeks, you'll likely miss your window. So only register when you're ready to actually run some ads. Don't wait. 3, it's not valid for TikTok Shop ads. So this is strictly for TikTok ad campaigns, not TikTok Shop product listings or live shopping promotions. Now you can still link TikTok Shop after signing up, but this particular credit can't be used for those ad types. 4, it's available in every country except Vietnam. Now, most creators and business owners around the world are eligible. Just double check your region if you're not sure. Why you should care, even if you've never run ads before. All right, let's be real. TikTok ads are still super underpriced compared to how much reach and engagement you get. Right now, you can still get CPMs under $5, CPCs in the 30 cent to 80 cent range. Insane click-through rates if you're creative with your content. If you've got a product or service, or even just content that you want more eyeballs on, this is easily one of the best bang for your buck platforms out there. In this offer, it just sweetens the deal. It's like buying one round of ads and getting the next one free. Who this offer is perfect for. All right, let's walk through a few quick examples of who can really take advantage of this promo. Number 1, e-commerce brands. You have a Shopify store? Are you selling digital products, print on demand? Use that first $200 to promote your best sellers with TikTok's in-feed video ads. The ad credit basically buys you free retargeting. Coaches and service providers. Whether you're a fitness coach, online tutor, or agency owner, this is a cheap way to test lead gen ads or drive traffic to a booking page. 3, content creators and influencers. Trying to grow your page faster? You can run a traffic campaign to boost your top performing videos or promote your profile. It's especially helpful if you're trying to land more brand deals or grow a newsletter. 4, local businesses. Yes, TikTok ads can work even if you're a small shop or service targeting a specific area. Set your geo-targeting and let your content do the talking. 5, anyone testing a new offer, launching a new course, testing a freebie funnel, trying to validate a product idea. Use the free ad credit to collect leads, pre-orders, or email signups without spending double. How to get started. All right, now let's walk through the sign-up process really quick so you know exactly what to do. Step 1, head to the TikTok for Business sign up page. So you can go ahead and use the link provided down in the description below to get here. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page right here where all you need to do is click on Get Started to get started. This link ensures that the offer is tracked and credited to your account. Step 2, create your business account. Next, you'll just enter your business name, your email, and some basic info. If you've used Facebook ads or Google ads before, this will feel familiar. Step 3, set up your first campaign. Now, once you've signed up and you're in the dashboard, you'll create your first campaign. Let me talk you through what these steps involve. So first things first, you'll choose your objective, usually traffic, conversions, or video views. You can start small with a daily budget. $20 to $30 per day is enough to get going. Step 4, hit your spend threshold. Now remember, your 30-day countdown starts the moment you sign up, not when you launch your first ad. So don't wait too long to start spending. Once you hit $200, $500, or $1,500 within those 30 days, your matching credit will be added to your account. Step 5, use your free credits. So the bonus ad credits get applied automatically and can be used just like your normal ad balance. Run another campaign, scale up what's working, or test something new. Tips to make the most of your credit. Don't just throw up a random ad and hope for the best. Here's how to stretch your free budget and actually get results. Use UGC style videos. TikTok users scroll past anything that looks like a polished ad. Use raw, authentic content and talk to the camera. Use trending sounds. It works. 2, split test creatives. Try at least 2 to 3 different videos. See what gets the best click-through rate and scale that one with your bonus ad credit. 3, focus on one product or offer. Don't spread yourself too thin. If you're promoting a store, pick one product to highlight and push it hard. Watch your metrics. Now, don't obsess over ROAS right away. Look at click-through rate, cost per click, watch time. Those early signs tell you if your creative is working. 5, don't wait until the last minute. If you're thinking about waiting until September, just know that many people forget and miss out. Better to start early, test things out, and still have time to use the credit wisely. Frequently asked questions. So let's knock out a few common questions that come up around offers like this. Do you need a business license to register? Nope. Anyone can sign up. Just make sure you're promoting something legit. TikTok has a strict ad policy. Can I use this if I've advertised on TikTok before? This promo is usually for new advertisers. So if you already ran a campaign before July 9th, you might not be eligible. But you can try registering with a new business account if you're testing something new. What happens if I don't hit the spend requirement? Then you won't get the ad credit. It's not prorated. You have to hit one of the full tiers to unlock the matched amount. Can I use this for TikTok Shop? No, this promo is not valid for TikTok Shop ads. You can link TikTok Shop later, but the ad credit won't apply to Shop campaigns. So here's the bottom line. This is free money to grow your brand. If you've ever wanted to run TikTok ads, but you didn't want to risk a ton of money up front, then this is your green light. Just make sure that you sign up using the right link, spend the amount within 30 days, and actually launch campaigns with good content. Don't overthink it. Try something simple. Film a video on your phone, run it as an ad, and see what happens. You might be surprised at how far even $200 goes on TikTok. So if you're ready to claim the offer, just hit the link down below in the description. It'll take you straight to the TikTok for Business sign up page where you can register and start planning your first campaign. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're all about helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. And if you want to get started with any of the products down in the description below, these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. So if you end up using them, we really appreciate it. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.